Oh gosh. Oh, I'm gonna lock this door. Right. Ooh. So, I've been watching theContentBug, or she recently renamed her channel to Cathrin Manning, and I found her channel through watching how to do blogging and you having your own website, social media tips and tricks, and then she started doing YouTube videos, and that's when she started to blow up within the past couple of months. And through her videos you would see that she would have a content calendar that she makes reference to. Is how she schedules everything that she does. That's why she keeps on top of everything. Everything is very fairly organized, and I like that. I like a lot of structure and a lot of format. So when it is, she announced in one of her recent videos last week that she's going to provide this template for her subscribers, and she put the link in the description. I was like, okay, cool, I'm definitely going to download this. This is going to be a spreadsheet, a calendar. I could input my stuff and help me structure my content. Right now I'm only on about 2 platforms, that's Facebook and YouTube, but eventually I would like to branch out into other things, especially when I develop my own website. I'm going to be able to do blog posts there and have everything organized, repurposing content on all the platforms, etc, etc. So when it is, she put the link in the description, I clicked on it and it took me to a page. I thought it was a free download, and I see she slapped a big price tag on it, $18. So I was like, I wasn't really expecting that, because number one is an Excel spreadsheet. It was made in Google Sheets, like she explained. That means it was free. And I don't know about you, but I never really pay for a calendar or a diary of any sort. As far as I could remember, I would usually just get that free, and we in May, the first quarter of the year done gone already. Yes and no, it's a customizable calendar, so you could use it forever and ever, so therefore you don't have to keep replacing it. But I still find that the price is a bit high. And also, looking at it from my perspective, where I'm from, a third world country, when you extrapolate the figures and you look at the dollar value, that's about over $100 in my currency, which means I can feed myself one meal a day for a whole week with that money. So when I look at it like that, and especially in what we experiencing now, right, in 2020, disease that going around, it just kind of rubbed me the wrong way. And I understand everybody needs to make your money where you can get your money, but seeing like the times and the struggles and the different things that people will be going through and experiencing, and I know that she is very well aware of this, because in the same week she would have done a video in which she stated that said same video would the AdSense that would be coming from that, she would be giving it away to one of her subscribers, and you fill out a form, saying how this will help you, how you was affected by the pandemic, etc, etc. So to me it seemed kind of like, okay, giving away money, but then you're coming out with a product to sell, which is something that I think it could have been given away for a much cheaper cost, even free. So for somebody like me, I have a lot of factors against me. I'm from a third world country, so my first world country. I know that the money is not really viewed the same. $18 across there is probably the same dollar value as $18 down here, so it's not really seen as much, but it is plenty to me. So therefore I find that, okay, this kind of inspired me. She always inspires me, so this inspired me to make one of my own, because I really can't take that chance and spend money on something that I could probably just make a version of for myself to help me structure what it is I want to do and create on YouTube and on Facebook, on all the other avenues in which I want to gain reach. So that's what I'm going to show you in coming up next. Cool. So I could have the microphone on. Awesome. Okay, so I am going into Google Chrome, Google Drive, and files, and we add in sheets. Get Google Sheets. Open. Okay. Right. Tap to create a new spreadsheet. They have templates. Let's see what they have. Oh wow, they have templates. They have a calendar. They have a schedule. Imagine that. Let's see what the calendar looks like. Right, so this is 2019. Let's see what the schedule looks like. Oh, look, the 2020 calendar here. Why didn't I see that? Anyway, let's see what the schedule looks like. Wow. Look at this. We probably don't even need to create anything. So let's see what the function is. So this week is the week of the 10th of the 5th month, 2020. Right, set the starting date in cell 2. In cell C2, rows 3 and 4 will automatically update. So it have a built-in formula, and then you have your notes and your to do. And this is your daily schedule. So I believe it does automatically save. Let me delete this one. And let me look at the 2020 calendar. So we have 2020. We see here we could go and format the theme, create more with themes. Before we do that, let's look into the year. So bring your personal style into 2020 planning. Explore 16 different themes to personalize your 2020 calendar. Simply go to Format, Menu, and select Theme. Browse and select from the present themes. Use the themes as is or add your own style by clicking Customize. And you could insert images into the cell. Format and theme. Where is format? Let me undo that. I think I added a sheet there. But look at this. A free calendar right here. See which one of these is formatting. There's borders, there's fill. This is text formatting, cell formatting. And here insert images or comments. So let me look at January, February, had gone, March, April, and then you have your notes. Right, so you have each day and a little box where you could type what you want. You could type in a note, post video, let's see, a comment. You could post a comment. No excuses. I said no excuses and I typed no issues. Wow. Let's see if I can figure out how to customize this. Change colors. Right. And here the text is let's enter here, post video. As you will type it in the function bar. Yes. And that is obviously a function to get a date. Alright, so let's see, I think I selected everything and I could now change the color. Ugh. Ooh. So I could change the color. It was this was it. Right. So I mean, you have your daily schedule and your monthly calendar. I mean, what more you could want? And you could edit it. So let's see, at Monday 9 a.m. posting this YouTube video, and at Sunday around 6 post Facebook. And you could use both of these things and organize your content, and I think it could do the trick, and you don't have to be concerned about spending money for any calendar, and make do with this. I find it look good. So this is a sneak peek into what my monthly and my weekly schedule looks like, and I hope this video was helpful.